Heading to Niagara waterfall.
Yes. This way to your village. If I go here, I go to your village. To my village.
Let my village be there. I want my village to be there. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Well, we want to go to sometimes we follow you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you take that route to US?
Really? This way? Really? Wow. So Niagara Falls is close to US.
Huh?
It's close to US. The Niagara Falls.
Yes. There's Niagara Falls, New York. There's Niagara Falls, Ontario.
Oh wow.
But in Niagara Falls, New York, you don't see anything.
Okay.
The water is like coming from there. I'm making money for Canada. I'm passing best for you guys.
Oh my God. God is wonderful. God.
Because in US you will only see a mass of water, just like any other water.
Water, yeah.
But in Canada you now see the fall.
God chooses to do whatever He wants to do. Niagara Falls. You see that? We are close then.
Huh?
We are close based on what I see. Jesus.
Follow for me.
This route leads it to USA. Very close to the USA. So we can drop off Caroline. We just drop you off there.
Oh, well, I don't have my. If I have my passport, it's you that will drop.
I'll just stroll out then, and I will say bye bye. Please send my bag to the village.
They will catch you.
Oh my God. This one there.
And then media, you have the right not to talk because anything you say will be used
Against you. My God. You will find your way to another place.
Turn left onto Highway 420 toward the falls.
Thank you, Lord, for this opportunity. At all.
And that's Niagara Falls.
Oh.
All that building.
Mm.
You have 15 minutes to get to my house.
Mm.
Depending on where you are.
Oh no. Exit.
This is tourist village.
Mm.
People that come from all over the world,
Wow.
they stay around here in
In 800
Airbnb,
meters, turn right.
and then in the morning they come out, go to where they want to go and
Yeah.
see the fall. There's a lot of fun things going on around, depending on what you want.
In 400 meters, turn right at the traffic light onto RR 102. Turn right at the traffic light onto RR
Thank you
102.
for the journalist. Driving safely on the highway. Closer to the Niagara Falls.
In 500 meters, turn left. In 200 meters, turn left at the traffic light onto Ferry Street and then turn right. Turn left at the traffic light onto Ferry Street. Turn right onto Falls View Boulevard.
People park here, then we walk.
Mm.
It's still far.
Yeah.
In 100 meters, turn right onto Clark Avenue. Turn right onto Clark Avenue.
Oh, see what I said?
Mm.
Not right. Yeah, you get it. You need to go to Robinson.
In 200 meters, turn right at the stop sign onto Robinson Street and then turn into the 2nd Street on the left.
See that thing?
Yeah. Yeah, that. Yeah. Very cool.
Turn right at the stop sign onto Robinson Street.
No.
Old Stone Inn.
In 100 meters, turn right. Turn right.
Person call at the right time.
Hey, Nandi. I'm okay. And you? I know. They are good. I know.
In 200 meters, turn left at the end of the road onto Murray Street.
At some point, okay? Okay, not. I'm pushing.
Turn left at the end of the road onto Murray Street.
We've done there before.
Okay. Yeah.
In 200 meters, turn sharp to the right onto Niagara River Parkway.
See Niagara Falls.
The whole of this. Wow.
I'm excited.
Unbelievable.
I'm kidding. I can't be sure.
You're already in.
You like you're going to Disney World?
You're already in right here. Unbelievable. Thank you,
Turn
Lord.
sharp to the right onto Niagara River Parkway.
Wow. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you, Lord. Wow. It's incredible.
See where it's coming from? From Buffalo.
Yeah.
Okay? Buffalo is in the US, so they only see water.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Look at it, exactly. So it's giving them revenue here.
Yeah, we collect the revenue. They collect the water.
Oh my God. Oh my God. This is unbelievable. Thank you,
We
Lord.
just drive around and back.
Yeah, and then move around again. Look
Yeah.
at. It's unbelievable. Jesus, thank you.
This just looks like a piece of heaven.
I'm telling you.
Those that want to ride the boat, I will go take them to their place. There's a building.
You can ride a boat down there too.
When you can see the ones wearing.
You will arrive at your destination in 200 meters on the left.
You ready to be soaked?
Okay.
Are you ready to be soaked? No.
So
So
You have to be soaked because you're in the water.
Arriving at your destination on the left.
where do you want us to park?
Yeah, I think that's really good.
On the other side and walk down?
Yeah, it's better I'll park here than start from here.
Where?
Here. If there's any entrance to park and walk down from here. What do you think? I think the best way to start from here.
Start from the top here.
If it's not full, then yes. This is power station,
Okay.
hydro power station.
Wow. And Grand Park Power Station.